In this short tutorial, you will learn how to disable GIF comments on your Instagram posts. Sometimes, GIFs can be distracting or unwanted in our comment sections. If you prefer a cleaner space for conversations, it's easy to stop others from posting GIFs. Let's go step by step through the process. To get started, open up the Instagram app. Next, tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look for 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these lines to access your settings menu. In this menu, scroll down until you find a section called How Others Can Interact with You. In this section, tap on Comments. This will bring up all settings related to comments on your posts and reels. You'll now see an option called Allow GIF Comments. By default, this setting is enabled. To disable GIF comments entirely from appearing under your posts and reels, simply toggle off the switch. And that's it. You've successfully disabled GIF comments on Instagram. From now on, only text-based comments will appear under your content. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.